Hi friends, welcome to our talk show WizBiz Talks, a unique initiative with a concept to support Rotarians to support Rotary. We invite guests who have been doing selfless work in the community and discuss with them about their personal, professional and Rotary life. There has been an overwhelming response to the show all over the Rotary circles, and we thank each one of you with folded hands for the support towards the Rotary initiative WizBiz Talks. WizBiz Talks, friends, is an idea, a concept, an out-of-box thinking of District Governor 2021 Rotarian Sunil Mehra. This visionary has given us many noteworthy projects which will bring about a change in the community. With this small introduction, I have the pleasure to introduce to you a very special guest and a personal friend on the show today, Rotarian Kala Sridhar. Friends, Rotarian Kala Sridhar is a Rotarian from one of the premier clubs of Rotary District 3141, and that is Rotary Club of Mumbai Jew. She joined the Rotary in 2016-17, and in a very small span of time, in a very short span of time of 3.5 years, the club has trusted her with one of the most important responsibilities, and that is to lead her Rotary Club in the year 2020 as president of the club. Friends, she's an ex-banker and now a successful entrepreneur having an event management company. She's a person with positive attitude, determined, and would never give up until she has got something right. She's a public person, a hard worker, enjoys challenges, and an extremely organized person. Friends, here I have the pleasure to present to you my dear friend, Rotarian Kala Sridhar.
Good evening, Manish.
Kala, I have met you on various occasions in the past, and since the time the Rotary year has started, we've been definitely intermingling with each other. But we know more about you on the Rotary front. This is also an opportunity for us to know something more about you on your personal front. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, Manish. A small brief about me. I have been in the banking industry for 20 years. I belong to a family of musicians. Post my VRS from the bank, I, along with my school friends, started an event management company by the name of ARC Events. We have done over 30, in the past 5 years, we have done over 50 shows, and our YouTube channel has got around 30 million views and nearly 1.2 lakh subscribers. We are, apart from the auditorium shows, we are also having a vertical, the Voice Choice, where we train, groom potential singers, give them an opportunity to get into bigger stage and perform with bigger artists of the industry. We work on their diction, grooming, and promote them, and even give them chance in our auditorium shows.
This is fantastic, Kala. See, we have been together since such a long time, but these are things which I never knew. Millions of viewers and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Do you know Rotary runs something which is called as Rotal, and we bring out the talent amongst the Rotarians and children of Rotarians, and we try to bring it to public. And you could be one influencer who could influence this event to a big manner and participate in it, and also ensure that if there is talent, you can take it and show it to the outside world.
Right, Dr. Manish. Here, one more thing I would like to add is of the events that I've been doing since the last 5 years, majority of them have been fundraising. We have been closely associated with, before I joined Rotary, we have been closely associated with St. Jude's Child Care Center. And we have been doing one fundraising for them every year, one event for them every year. Apart from them, we have done fundraising for Vishesh Foundation and Community Development Center. Post my joining Rotary, we have had one fundraiser for our Rotary Club of Mumbai Jew also.
Fantastic. But Kala, now tell me one thing. These are COVID times, and many things have got a hit this time. Tell us that what could be one way in the month of July, showing your commitment as a president of Rotary District in one of the clubs of Rotary District 3141, can we, with your support, organize a mega fundraiser event for the projects of Rotary through district in the month of July?
Yes, Dr. Manish, here I would like to say that being in the working in the bank branch for nearly 20 years, I have got the communication is very strong. I am able to speak to people and move along with people, together with people in a very big way, in a very comfortable way. And given the COVID times, what is happening is what I have realized is more than physical movement due to the social distancing, it is more is on phone, more is on Zoom, more is virtual meetings and things are happening. So whatever platform we are looking at for a fundraising has to be something which is virtual, and the options for this are available now. And what is happening is here again, it is how we spread the awareness about the event that we are doing. The cause that we are doing is more important. Like a normal fundraising, the awareness that this event is happening and for what are we doing it. These are the two prime criteria for a fundraising. And I think communication is timely communication with the right people is very important here. Here at this point, we cannot be looking at big sponsors because everybody is badly hit with Corona. So we have to be very careful to think about fundraising in the month of July. But yes, there is no harm in trying. We cannot say, no, I won't do it, but we can try.
Fantastic. We'll discuss this offline and we'll definitely take this ahead. Now tell me something. You have the responsibility of a very premier club of the district on your shoulders, and you're taking up as a president of the club. What are your plans for 2020 for your club? Has COVID times brought about some extra challenges? And if there are challenges, do you have a plan B and plan C also in place to ensure that you come out triumphant and victorious in this fight against Corona and in this project towards or work towards the community?
Here, first of all, I would like to thank my members of my Rotary Club of Mumbai Juhu for having the trust and confidence in me that I could lead the club this year. When we decided that I will be the president-elect, whenever we thought that there would be such a situation where we would be planning our projects and talking only on Zoom.
So how do you think, has Corona brought up some challenges, and have you got your plans to overcome those challenges?
Yeah, here I would like to see if Rotary Club, the two flagship projects of our club. There are three projects, that is Sanskar, Umang and Udaan. Sanskar used to be the Interact district conference. Now with COVID, social distancing and all, we are not sure when the schools are going to start. And this will also have to happen similar to the DTA where we will be on Zoom. That was one thing. As far as Udaan is concerned, planning for Udaan, we have taken a call that we will not have it in the first half. We will have it in the second half when probably the scene may open up. And regarding Umang is a trek for the disabled people, which happens in the Disability Week. That is the first week of December. So we have been doing this since last 3 years. Our club has been doing this and we have been getting a very good response. This is done with in association with Phoenix Foundation. But now, again, due to COVID, we don't know what is going to be the situation in December for Umang. We don't know whether we'll be able to take them for a trek. But Sanskar, we are having it in Zoom, and Udaan, we have pushed it to the second half so that at least we can have a proper.
Yeah. Kala, we've heard a lot about you, that you are a person who likes to face challenges, overcome challenges. How have you become such a strong person?
That fight, that eagerness to achieve what I think I want to do it, I will do it.
So nice to have you with us, Kala, and it has been really a revealing moment. We got to know so much about you on your personal front, on Rotary front, and I'm sure with this there would be many other Rotarians who would be looking forward to tie up with you on a personal front, professional front and Rotary front to do joint projects. Anyone and everyone likes to tie up with good people, and I see in you a very good person. a very transparent person who wants to give back something to the society and is always there to help others. So it has been a real pleasure to have you with us on the WizBiz Talks. We might also use your services in promoting our WizBiz Talks on social media, because I'm sure that once that happens, it will reach a totally different level. So thank you for being with us. I hope you enjoyed the show too, and we'll work together hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, to ensure that Rotary reaches to the next level.
Thank you very much, Manish.
Thank you so much.